salty cheeks. It's not a cute look getting kicked out of the bar when you're no longer 19. Still acting like a child, feeling bad